Hello again. It's Everyday Ray. I say Everyday Ray because that means every day Ray is trying to fix something on this godforsaken car. It seems to always have something wrong. Today's task is to fix this switch, which you can see is all destroyed from years and years of use. It came with the car this way when I bought it. The previous owner just didn't seem to have enough in my gas to fix it, so he's leaving that up to me. Anyway, I've got the spare part, and so the first step is getting this thing to come out. And here we go. So now we have this assembly out, and we've got to disconnect the wiring harness from it. Squeeze the sides. Gonna need two hands for this, so I'll put this over here. Maybe we can get this to work. There, we have it out. And there's our electrical connection. Here we have the new part. It cost me $12. What an amazingly expensive piece of equipment for just this, but it looks nice and clean. Works. Just tested the lights. Now we put that in. Nice, shiny new. Auto. Lights on. Full lights on.